Hello friends, here I am today with a valuable video from Smart Tech Sri Lanka YouTube channel. If this is a good income for them, a person who plays on 1xbet can play it like a charm. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and keep it up. Guys, keep clicking the bell to bring videos like this to you guys. Okay guys, today I will tell you how to download and register. First, don't skip the video, otherwise you won't be able to see exactly how to do it. So don't skip the video and watch the video. If you are a person who wants to watch this, watch it on another device. Guys, to make that account, I will leave the link below to download this app. You can go to it and download the app you want on your mobile. After downloading it to the phone, you guys need to register here. Click on the place that says by phone, and then you will be asked from there. First of all, you will be asked what is your country. After asking your country, if you are from Sri Lanka, select your country. If you are in another country, select that country. Then you will be told 94. It will automatically be selected according to the country, and then you need to use the phone number and mention it. Then below it will show you that you need a promotion code. You have to type in the promotion code. You are called Lokuja, and you have to put the promotion code as Lokuj. My promo code is that promotion. After entering the code, you can easily log in, friends. After logging in, after you deposit a small amount, you will get a bonus of 25%. After playing for him for a while, you go to the bonus box and see if they have received the bonus. You can play it with the money you get from the bonus. Plane Crash is the most played game. You can get a good income from it. You can play one game first. Before doing it, you must wait there for about 10 minutes. How is this going to happen? How is this going to happen, my friend? Otherwise, don't play while you're gone. In that case, you guys have a lot of room to lose your money and your money here. So if you play this game carefully, my friend, if that happens, you can get a good profit and you can go for lakhs. Okay guys, after you log into your account, guys, after that you will be shown my profile along with Oolong's ID. Okay, after you touch there, you have some important information to fill in there. You have to register a phone number there. You have to link your email there. There are some things like that, friends. After you go down, your wallet ID details are asked there. You must fill that too before playing. You must fill that, guys. If not, you will not get that count exactly. You must read these things carefully and fill them in. So after filling in that way, after going to the bottom, friends, after saying save, friends, your account is 100% complete. After that, you have to a small amount in this. That means they have to deposit it. If you are an average Sri Lankan, you can earn 2500 rupees, friends. If you don't understand how to deposit this, I have put my WhatsApp number and Telegram link. You can send me a message on it and I will tell you how to deposit this for you. Or if you want to deposit this through an agent, you can give me the details, and through that you can deposit their money, and then you have to increase the amount you want to play with. You can earn lakhs from this. And I will show you how to get the money you earn from this into your bank account. Friends, you can easily buy it. There is Sprinkle Cash, and then you can easily withdraw your money from that bag called iPay. This is so easy for you. For those of you who want to play on 1xbet, this is very easy. Also, my friend, you have to register in the same way. There is no difference in any letter. In the same way, you have to play in this and register in this there. In the same way, if you do this, you will be successful in this. Play it, guys. Go and check it out. Many people are playing on the website called 888Starz. Most of them are from Sri Lanka. There are also foreigners. They can earn good income. They are paid in Sri Lankan money, not dollars. Leave a like on the video and write your comment below. Share this video with your friends. Then remember to subscribe to my channel. The next videos are the most important things for you. It's very easy for you. If you do it right, I think it will be a good future for you. So I will go today and see you in the next video.